everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how you can change your Facebook cover photo. Tap on your Facebook icon, then go to your profile. Now you can see there are two pictures. One is in circular shape and second one is the big picture. Circular one is your profile photo and the big one is your cover photo. Now click on cover photo. You can see there are four options. First one is view profile cover. This means you can see your profile photo by enlarging it. Second one is upload photo. You can upload it from your phone's gallery. Third one is you can simply select any picture from Facebook to set on your cover photo. And fourth one is you can also make your own cover collage. I simply upload my cover photo from my gallery. Okay, now select any picture of your choice. I choose this one as my cover photo. Now you can adjust it, drag to adjust. Okay, simply adjust it and save. Now you can see it. Now you can see your cover photo is successfully uploaded. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.